Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the basics, adventure rank and UID ready. Start by targeting players who complement your playstyle. Search their UID or recent co-op list and send a concise request explaining what you want, help with a domain, resin farmer, or boss. Once sent, follow up with a short message. Hi, can I join for X? Make sure to check their activity and reciprocity. Players who respond quickly are better co-op fits. Don't spam. One clear request is more effective. Once they accept, set a short, useful session to build rapport. Start with a 15-30-minute run that benefits both. You coordinate, call targets, ping positions, and offer simple role guidance like "I'll shield you burst." Explain why you picked the activity, faster drops or easier mechanics. Make sure to complement good plays and share loot priorities. Reciprocity matters. If you consistently help, they'll add you permanently. Keep sessions predictable so both of you can schedule future runs. To solidify friendship, propose recurring activities. Weekly commissions, domain clears, or event farming. Schedule 1 or 2 set times and stick to them. Make sure you exchange clear expectations, drop times, roles, and how to split rewards. If communication drops, send a friendly check-in rather than pressure. If you hit problems, unable to add, invisible players, or denied invites, first check friend list caps, privacy settings, and server region. Then resend a short invitation explaining the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.